Anaheim SWAT then killed Moreno during a shootout. And tonight, that veteran police dog Bruno remains hospitalized. His condition very serious following hours of emergency surgery to repair the damage from that bullet. KCAL 9 Orange County reporter Stacy Butler is live at Yorba Regional Animal Hospital, where everyone's hoping Bruno will pull through. Stacy.
And Susie, volunteers have been here at the animal hospital around the clock to stand by and wait for word. Now, veterinarians are saying that he's still critical but stable, and they're hopeful that he seems to be in good spirits.
He's doing a little bit better. He's a little bit more alert. He's got a little bit of life in his eyes.
The latest photo of Bruno the police dog shows some sign of hope.
He's actually sitting up, sternal. His head's up. He's responsive.
He's recovering from a bullet wound to the jaw and chest.
The Ramos's jaw bones here were totally severed. The bullet hit one of his bones and then went down through his chest.
Earlier today, he was under sedation medication after a 3-hour surgery last night to repair his shattered jaw and remove part of his lung. Tonight, he's more alert.
The prognosis is still guarded at this point, but he's doing exceptionally well for all he's been through.
One day after police say officers shot and killed 21-year-old Robert Moreno Jr. after they say he shot at officers and struck the 7-year-old German Shepherd when Bruno found Moreno hiding behind a dumpster in Anaheim yesterday afternoon.
That dog put himself in harm's way, so the officers didn't have to.
Anaheim police officer Brett Clevos and his canine counterpart Gunther visited Bruno at the Yorba Regional Animal Hospital tonight to support his handler, fellow officer RJ Young, and Bruno. He says the 6-year canine veteran has saved the lives of countless officers. He fears Bruno still has a long recovery ahead.
It's still nothing but extreme amount of work and steel rods and everything else to try and keep his jaw immobile. He's got a long battle ahead of him.
With an oxygen tube to his nose so he can breathe, and a draining tube to his lung, and a feeding tube so he can eat. Indeed, he has a long road ahead of him. He's expected to be here at the animal hospital many weeks to come as he recovers. We're live tonight in Anaheim. Stacy Butler, KCAL 9 News.